breaking the wall of big tech platforms. Julian Netzer, Falling Walls Lab, Austria.
Over 99% of all people can't code. That means the power of developing software lies in the hands of just 1% of all people. There are far too few developers out there. And not only because Google hires all of them, but yeah, in general. If you find a developer that's not hired, you quickly figure out they're really expensive. And that's a big problem for small businesses and communities that want to develop their own app, their own platform. And you know who lost that? Big tech platforms like Facebook, because we rely on them every day to interact with your beloved communities and businesses, just to communicate with them, while the big ones earn the millions. We can't just go out and build our own platforms, can we? Well, Cooler is here to change that. Cooler is literally a mobile app to make mobile apps. And as funny as it sounds, it's just that. How does it work? Well, you basically enter your data. You tell the app what kind of app do you want to build. And Cooler will automatically generate the app, build it together, and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get it into the App Store. All that without writing a single line of code. We are a team of 2 founders with over 5 years of experience in modular mobile app design, leading a team of 8. We already have over 650 businesses in Austria on our waiting list for our beta. And I'm proud to announce today, for the first time in public, that we raised, including grants, over 400,000 euros to turn our vision into reality. Well, we want to put the power of software development into billions of pockets. Imagine for a second that everybody of you, anybody, could build an Uber, could build a Facebook, could build the next delivery service. And while those kind of apps needed millions of users to be profitable, now they will only need a couple of hundreds. So you can make it very locally or hyper-locally. And yeah, we are not stopping there. We want to be a European tech company that also brings European values into the software landscape. Values of social equality, of democracy, of unity, of data protection. And yeah, if I want you to just remember one thing about today, it's that we are Cooler, we are the app to make an app, and we are not only going to change the status quo on how mobile apps are made, but also, and more importantly, on who is making them. So go to cooler.app, sign up, and I have 7 seconds left. Open LinkedIn, type in Cooler app, follow us, support us with our vision, because it's very important. Thank you.